Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to be covering revolving in Fusion 360. So let's jump on over and we are going to start with a sketch. So we're actually going to create two different profiles just to kind of demonstrate two ways you may use the revolving tool. So first off, we're just going to make a little shape right here. And I'm kind of haphazardly doing this. Obviously, I'd be putting a little bit more effort into making measurements if it mattered, which in this case it does not. Actually, we're going to round this off. Because why not? Yeah. All right, so we have our two profiles that we've created. And let's just finish there. Now, I also have a little block that I've pre-made. I'm going to bring him in for demonstration. And so let's click on Revolve. So because we have two profiles, we get the option to choose one. So let's just click this one for right now and the axis we want. You can default to origin axes, but we're going to use this guy right here. And you can see that it started to generate a revolve. You also have this toggle bar, I guess you could say, where you can see the angle that you're putting in, or you can type in the angle here or right here. For types of revolutions, you can also do up to a point. So in this case, with this block, I could just say right there, and it's going to default to that point. So that can be very useful if you're trying to match up with something. I'm going to actually get out and get rid of this block now and go back into it. So you can also just do a full, which is just a full 360. But with the angle, you can type it in. Directions, you actually have two different options. It defaults to the one side, and you can do it positive or negative. But you can also do it to the two sides if you want like a partial on one side, like 180 on the other. So there's that option as well. And then the last option is actually symmetric, which is just mirroring both sides to the same amount of revolution. And with the operations, currently it's just a new body because it's the first body, but if there's multiple bodies and you're intersecting them, again, you can be joining them, or it can be cutting them out, or where it's overlapping, it could be holding on and saving just the part that's intersecting. For new body, you could designate it as a separate body. And for a new component, I'm not going to talk about that right now. It's a little bit more complicated, but it's in a way similar to a new body. So we're just going to finish that up, and yeah, just leave it there. We are going to bring that sketch back, though, and now demonstrate with this profile. So we're going to do revolution again, and we're going to click on this profile and the axes. Same thing. And as you can see, it actually will create a full 3D part, not a ring, but a solid piece. And so I'm just going to do full, and there you have it. We have like a little top right there. So this is really nice, especially if you're trying to make something that's a little bit more complicated than this and you don't want to do all of the features. You can add them all in part by part and then rotate the whole thing. So that's just a little trick that you could do if you wanted to build something in this manner. But that is it. That's just a quick rundown of revolutions in Fusion 360. If you found it useful, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments or videos you'd like me to be making, please add them in the comment bar. And again, thanks for watching.